Traditional software is deterministic. A standard tax calculation formula receives a fixed input and outputs a predictable result every time. Large language models operate on a probabilistic model. Depending on the temperature and sampling distributions used, the same prompt can branch into 3 distinct responses, a slow decay in accuracy known as model drift. Without specialized monitoring, deploying an enterprise AI system is like deploying this dark, opaque structure. Its internal logic is impenetrable, and its behavior is unmonitored. LLMOps and AI observability provide the framework required to make this probabilistic reasoning visible and governable. To move an AI application from an impressive local demo to a reliable enterprise tool, you must first engineer the telemetry to observe its internal logic. In a production environment, prompts function as actual system logic. They define safety boundaries, enforce formatting rules, and authorize tool execution. Prompt versioning is mandatory. A minor change in version 1.2 accidentally triggered overly cautious refusals. Production apps also rely on a managed ecosystem. A routing layer directs traffic. Simple classification goes to small, fast models, while complex reasoning routes to high-capability models. Engineers monitor this routing efficiency to find the optimal balance between compute cost and the cognitive capability required for the task. In production, prompt engineering and model selection are treated as dynamic IT assets that require strict control. Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG, is vulnerable at the data layer. If the retrieval system pulls the wrong document, the model is guaranteed to generate a hallucination. Imagine an AI agent issuing a legally flawed supplier risk assessment because it accessed the wrong contract. Simply reading the final text of that failed assessment doesn't explain the error. You cannot tell if the model miscalculated or if the retrieval system provided the wrong evidence. Tracing exposes the full reasoning path. This waterfall UI shows every step, from query rewrite to final generation. Inspecting this trace shows where logic broke, retrieving an outdated 2021 contract. Observability tools extract these metrics to evaluate vector similarity and filter efficacy. Unlike standard error logging, which flags server crashes, tracing identifies semantic and logical flaws in the workflow. Tracing turns AI debugging into an objective, verifiable engineering process. Testing a few prompts manually creates a false sense of security. These vibes-based tests inevitably fail when exposed to the variety of real-world user data. A golden dataset provides a programmatic baseline, mapping user queries to target sources and expected answers, but models suffer regressions. An update might improve coding, but break HR retrieval. Continuous regression tests against this dataset catch behavioral shifts before they reach users. The system measures several dimensions of quality: semantic groundedness, adherence to output formats, and the accuracy of tool calls. Over time, human-in-the-loop feedback is used to expand this test suite, incorporating new edge cases discovered in production. Without automated programmatic evaluation, an enterprise has no mathematical way to guarantee system quality across model updates. Token costs scale exponentially in production. When multi-agent loops serve thousands of users, the expense of every input and output token must be tracked. There are also hidden operational costs, such as the compute required for embedding generation and the persistent storage of vector databases. Then there is latency. A highly accurate response that takes 60 seconds to generate is useless for a live customer support chat or a developer's coding assistant. Structural safety guardrails mitigate risk. A malicious prompt is blocked at the first gate, input sanitization, before reaching the model. These filters monitor the entire lifecycle, scanning for injections, restricting permissions, and validating final outputs for policy violations or data leakage. If a guardrail fails, the incident management protocol triggers an immediate trace review and a rollback to a known safe prompt version. Balancing cost, speed, and safety is what separates an experimental prototype from a resilient enterprise tool. A complete LLMOps architecture integrates all of these layers: versioned prompts, traced routing, continuous evaluation, and active guardrails. This stack provides the observability required for AI governance, which is a mandatory requirement in regulated fields like finance and healthcare. Auditors need to see the evidence: why an AI made a specific decision, which documents it accessed, and how its reasoning was constrained by business rules. As AI systems evolve into autonomous agentic networks, LLMOps will become the mandatory operational backbone for every enterprise. Organizations cannot govern or scale autonomous intelligence until they build the engineering systems to meticulously observe it.